In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Safety and Emergency. Select Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact over here. Then tap on the ones that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of your list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Move them around by holding the chosen one and dragging it to a proper place. And when you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!